What's up, guys? Big D Wiz here, OldSchoolStereo.com. Today is a good day. Today we have laid out the monster amplifiers from the Old School Stereo collection. And why might I be doing this, you ask? Well, yesterday had an electrician come and we have two separate 20 amp breakers there installed. And each of the 20 amp breakers has its own Audio Authority 978 power supply. And we also, for backup, have the model 2-77, which is a hybrid power supply. We can use this with a car starting battery for up to 300 amps of peak current. So the reason I'm showing off all these amps today is because these are the amps I want to throw on the test bench now that I have ample power to do that. As you can see here, we've got a couple of Rockford Fosgates. We have a Power 1000 and a Power 650. Those of you who watch my videos know the Power 1000 is going to be sent off to be repaired, but we'll have it back soon enough. We have a PPI Pro Mos 450, which is a 4-channel amplifier. And the little one in the group here is the Earthquake PA 2300. And don't think that just because this is the smallest amplifier in the bunch that it's the least powerful, because I have all intentions to believe that this Earthquake PA 2300 could give these a run for their money. Now here's another beauty in the collection, the Dragster DH-1804. And these are kind of unknown amplifiers. People don't know a whole lot about them, but these were made in Italy. And very high quality internal components, very high quality amp. And it's actually a 4-channel amp rated 180 watts times 4 or 300 times 4 at 2 ohms. Then we move back to the Orions, and everybody knows about the Orions. The 2100 HCCA is the high current competition amplifier. The 2250 is the Beast, the 2 times 250 watts or 1 times 1000 watts. And then we have the Orion Concept 97.3. And what's the deal with this amp? This amp is rated at 0.5 watts per channel. Yes, folks, that's 1 watt with both channels combined at 4 ohms. That's the rating from Orion. You might say, well, it looks a lot like the other 2 amps here. Why in the world were they rated at 1 watt? Well, it was back in the late 90s when a lot of other manufacturers were coming out with amplifiers. An example would be US Amps and the VLX25, which was rated at 12.5 watts per channel and actually did well over 1,000 when it was loaded down. So Orion said, hey, we started off the cheater market with the 225 HCCA, so we're going to introduce a special edition amplifier that's going to be rated at 0.5 watts per channel. So you can load your vehicle up with these and not even break the 50 watt class, you know. The interesting thing about the concept is that according to Orion, there was only about 150 of these made and only about 100 of them were sold. So this is a rare amplifier in the Orion group. Well, there you have it, guys. Just a teaser video here showing off the Old School Stereo big amps. And we're going to do some comparisons coming up soon. What I'm thinking is once we get the Rockford repaired, we're going to put the Power 1000 versus the Dragster. I think the winner may surprise you. I think that Dragster there may be a wolf in, well, kind of wolf's clothes there because it's kind of bad looking. And then what we'll do is we'll test some of the other ones also. Obviously we want to see what these Orions will really do. I have a pretty good idea. But the Concept 97.3 is sort of a mystery because of how Orion has it rated. They have it rated down to 0.0006 or something ohms, which is not really correct. But anyway, it'll be interesting to see if it's actually one of these or if it's one of these. And the way we can tell is obviously by the ohm load and how much power it puts out. So there you go, folks. Big D Wiz, Old School Stereo. In celebration of the new 20 amp circuits, we've got 200 amps of continuous power from the two Model 978s from Audio Authority. And then for backup, we have the 50 amp power supply here. Once I get a battery, that'll be up to 300 amps of current. So we should have enough current here to test most any amplifier on the market. Most, I said. I'm sure there's some that I would not be able to test. But anyway, for now I want to test all the ones that I have, and we'll get them certified old school stereo style. So again, this is Big D Wiz, Old School Stereo. I'm signing off. You guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure to check out the Old School Stereo channel also. Right now I don't have any videos up there, but I'm thinking about making that one the one for my edited videos and using the Big D Wiz channel for the just the videos like this, you know, just kind of updates. So make sure you subscribe to Old School Stereo. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. I'm out of here.